beautiful people! Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we will make pickled green papaya. In the Philippines, we call it Achara or Atsara. This Achara recipe is a fast and easy pickling process that anyone can make at home. By the way guys, my husband absolutely loves it. So tada! Let's start! Here are the ingredients. First, of course, peel the papaya and scrape all the seeds and shred. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer to shred my achara this way. Some they do super thin achara slices, but mine I like it this way. After we shred, let's transfer to a big bowl. I boiled 6 cups of water and let's pour into the papaya. Soak it for about 20 to 30 minutes. This way your achara will last longer. Now let's place the shredded papaya in the middle of a cheesecloth and squeeze to drain as much liquid from the papaya as possible. Let's shred and cut some of our ingredients. Next, let's make our brine mixture. Heat the saucepan and pour in the vinegar. Let's add the sugar, salt, garlic, peppercorn, then stir until well diluted and bring to a boil. Next, let's add some of our ingredients. Let's add the carrots, onion. I use white onion cut into strips, chili corn flakes. By the way, this is optional. If you like more spicy, you can add. If not, you can eliminate it. Let it simmer for 1 minute and remove from the stove. Now let's pour our brine mixture into the papaya. Make sure the vegetables are completely submerged in liquid. Now let's put our papaya mixture in a sterilized mason jar. Close with tight-fitting lid and refrigerate for 1 to 2 days to allow flavors to develop before you serve. This Filipino pickled green papaya is the perfect pairing for anything grilled, fried, roasted meat, seafood, or vegetable. Or even if it's not Filipino food you're serving, serve a bowl of achara next to anything and watch. Everyone enjoy the meal.